Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. I am Ruksar Sheikh. My roll number is 65. I am a student of B.Ed Secondary. My topic is written thesis format. Subject research method in technique. Submitted Sir Amjad Arain. How to write thesis or dissertation. Thesis. So here we'll discuss about of different steps of included they are written in thesis. So first of all, what is thesis? A thesis is a long piece of written based on your own ideas and research that you do as a part of a university degree, especially a higher degree such as PhD. When students want to get the degree of PhD, MPhil or MAd, he has to write thesis or to write the dissertations of the degree. Next, format of thesis. Format of thesis, which is the format of written thesis. First of all, students has to take a title page of write the title page, supervisor, certificate, declarations, acknowledgement, content list, summary, bibliography, references, appendix. So title page is the grosser one of your thesis. On the title page we also include details of authors, institute, depart, date of delivery, research, mentors and advisor, their instructions and email addresses, and cover pages. After cover pages there will be abstracts about the thesis. A good abstract explains in one line why the paper or the thesis is important, then goes on the give or summary of your major result, preferably call a number with error limits. The final sentence explain the major applications of your work. A good abstract is concise, readable and quantitative. This page's length should be 1.2 paragraph, approx 400 words. Abstract generally don't have citations. Informations in title should not be repeated, be explicit. Then supervisor certificate. There is a signature of the supervisor. Supervisor is mentioned that researcher has completed the target. Then declaration. Next, declaration, there is a page declaration in which there is a signature of a student. It is mentioned that the work which is complete, that is the original work of a student's. Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement in which that is mentioned about the students, he who has helped the students his research, he is also guided, and together these who have helped him, those are mentioned. Then content list. Content list now which is divided in many parts and written in so show the dissertations that how to write content are divided in chapters and written. This is a test chapters and in which introductions is given about the research. Introductions, it means background of the study, problem statement, objective of study, rational behind the study, scope and limitations of study. Second chapter, review of related literatures. Third chapters, research methodology. Fourth chapters, data analysis and interpretations. Fifth chapters, result discussions and recommendations. Now summary. Summary is written, a researcher has done research that is written in short. After that, bibliography or references are given. There are styles of references given. It has to take care of for it. Then appendix. Appendix is made raw data is applied after collected, and with this the questionnaires the applied for which are used for data collections. Thank you.